All right, today I'm going to show you how to cook fish inside of the air fryer. And in this particular video, this is frozen fish, and I'm going to show you how you can do that as well. I'm going to post something where it's a version where the fish is not frozen, but that's going to come later. So right here, I have Kirkland's Best wild-caught Alaskan sockeye salmon. And you can see it comes in these packs, and it is frozen. Now I'm going to cook these inside of the air fryer, and I'm going to go through the process of how I do this, as well as the right temperature and time to make this work for you. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and open up the sockeye wild-caught Alaskan fish. Comes in this sealed pack. I'm gonna have 2 of these. And so what I'm gonna do is, it comes one side has the scales on that. I'm gonna leave that side alone, and the other side is just the fish meat. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and pull over the basket of my air fryer, and then I'm gonna place the fish with that side up, just like that. Go ahead and open this up a little bit more. I'm going to go place that down there. And so once I have the fish inside of the air fryer basket, the next thing I'm going to do is season them. Okay, so grab something. Now, when you're seasoning it, just go ahead, and what I do is I just go ahead and season it. Right here, I'll just put some salt on it. Top. A little bit of salt. And then I go ahead and put a little bit of pepper. And then I like to use this Flavor God right here. Everything seasoning. It says right here, natural seasoning. It doesn't have salt in it, or it says low sodium, so there's not a lot of salt in it. So I'm not putting double salt on it. And I'm just going to sprinkle some on top of it, like that. Now, once you've done this right here, put your seasoning on top. You'll want to take some olive oil. All right, so you can use the olive oil that you can pour on it, but I find using a cooking spray to be more efficient, and putting a light coat of oil on top of it. Okay, so this right here is California Olive Ranch, extra virgin olive oil, 100% from California. And what I do is I'm just going to go ahead and spray some on the top of this. Now, spraying on the top of this will prevent the seasoning as well as the fish from burning it so rapidly. Therefore, it'll cook evenly, or a little bit more even than it would have you not sprayed any cooking oil on top of it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray it like activator. So once you've sprayed that, the seasoning's on, and what's going to happen is the seasoning is actually going to bake inside of the fish when I turn it on. Okay? So you can do it, if you had fish that was thawed already, you could season it and let it sit overnight, and you get a nice, good flavor going all the way through. But we don't have that luxury right now. So once I have this, I'm going to go ahead and put it inside of the air fryer. Let's go ahead and do that. All right, so I'm going to place the fish inside of the air fryer. Shut it. It turns on. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it, the air fryer, there so you can see it, air fryer, and I'm going to set the right temperature and time. Now, for these pieces that I have, if they were thawed, I'd put it at 14 minutes. 14 minutes at about 385 to 400. Okay? Or maybe like 375 at 14 minutes if they were thawed. But since they're frozen, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the time up to 23 Michael Jordan, and I'll put the temperature down to about 320, maybe 315, or even 325. I'm gonna go with 315, maybe add another one, Kobe. And just go ahead and simply start this and go ahead and do that. All right, so it's done. Well, check this out. That is the salmon right there. And that is how you cook fish in an air fryer. These are frozen fish. You can hear it crackling down in there. Now, depending on the thickness of the fish, the type of fish, you may need longer or shorter a period of time in order to get the fish cooked efficiently and for it to get cooked thoroughly so it kills all the bacteria or whatnot within inside of the fish. All right, so you may need to adjust that. Just keep that in mind. And that is how you cook fish in an air fryer. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching. Some fish you should not be put in the air fryer. You should always read the manufacturer's instructions to see if it's okay for your particular air fryer if you can put fish in there. Thanks a lot for watching.